What's going on, guys? Late night. Just getting ready for the morning here. We're gonna be putting this radiator in tomorrow into the roll-off truck. Probably should have more than one roll-off truck for how busy it is, but it's like really hard to try to keep it running, but figured I'd do a video. I got one of the trucks that's normally not here visiting for the weekend, so this is the Bumblebee, and that's that trailer that tipped over, the brand new trailer I bought. We got it fixed a while back, but let's get some work done with this truck here. So you hear that noise it's making? This is the driver. I'll step away from it. The driver unloaded the dumpster and then left the hydraulics in. That's why it's making that noise. So I gotta disengage the hydraulics so you can hear the other noise it's making. See, the hydraulics are left on. PTO control. So that was that. But you hear the truck is making a ticking noise. The driver never told me about it, but I heard it. So that's got a brand new C13 in it from Capital Reman. So it's a Reman, it's brand new to us. It's probably got less than 50,000 miles on it. We put it in last year about this time, and now it's ticking. So I talked to my mechanic, an advisor, and we came up with a plan. He's not like a deep engine work guy, but I'm just gonna leave these here for driver in the morning. He's not a deep engine guy, so but one of the guys that basically helped me get where I am, that just works for me on the side, is going to be coming over tomorrow, and we're going to do, well, this truck isn't working tomorrow, so we got a lot to do. We're going to do an overhead on the truck. We're going to put a new radiator in it, and then from when we put the motor in it, there's just some leaks and stuff that we got to tighten up. We found some loose bolts and stuff like that, so the driver's honestly kind of hard on this truck, and it just needs to be shut down for a couple of days so we can get some stuff done to it. That's what we got going on. Just took the kids out to a movie and dropped them off at the house. We saw Captain America, and now we are doing a little work before we go home. All right, we'll see you later. All right, going in there. All right, I'm gonna put this up here, so if I forget, you guys tell me. That's where that's at. We're gonna back this in because we used the skid steer to put the radiator in, so we need to be able to get to the front of it. Let's see here what we got. All right. Swoop, but can't really see because I'm holding the camera, so don't hate on me too bad. All right. Excuse the mess. It's not very nice in here, but I don't know. All right. I think my job is done for the day. I already said bye to you guys, but I'll say bye one more time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.